Today we're at 101 Sunrise. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath home available in Daytona Beach Shores, Florida. Now this is available either as a rental or you have the opportunity to rent to own this home. And as you can see, it's a beautiful location. You are right by the beach. You're just less than a block away. Great neighbors. Everyone takes really good care of their homes. It's a great street to live on. Now this is also a 1-car garage, and your laundry is going to be in here. So there are washer and dryer connections. See, there's beautiful trees all throughout the yard. We just had brand new AC put in and brand new carpet. This house is in great shape. Has 2 bedrooms. Both are pretty much of equal size. It's definitely your typical Florida beachside bungalow. It does have 1 bathroom. And here in this bedroom, you can see out to the beautiful backyard, which I'll take you out to see later. This area is really private. You've got 1 alleyway that way, and then you've got another alleyway that way. And nobody really uses these alleyways. So it's a really private feeling to the home. And then off of the kitchen, you have a Florida room. You can get a great breeze in this room. I'll take you outside to see the amazing backyard. It's almost a double lot. And you do have an additional outdoor shower for when you go to the beach and don't want to bring sand into the house. Always a good feature in a Florida home. So it is partially fenced. And again, you have these gorgeous trees all throughout the home. This is a great deal for the right person. Again, it's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath house. You have the choice. You can rent it or you can rent to own this gorgeous Florida home. Thanks, guys, and call me if you have any more questions about this property. 386-868-5090. Talk to you soon.